Okay, so we're gonna swap out the lights on my new Tacoma because apparently spend 40 grand and Toyota still can't put in fucking LED lights, so we're gonna do this shit. So I'll add the link to where I got these because main thing that you notice on with these is it shows that it fits the 2016 and 2019 model. This is 23, but if you know Toyota, they never upgrade their fucking technology. So let's get to it. Look at them.
Is this just him or is this every Tacoma owner?
It's just, yeah. I'm gonna clean it.
Does this come with a 2023 seat?
Yeah. Don't mind the mess. But look, so what I did already, so I can just kind of show you the difference. I did this side already. All right, so I'll show you right now. But I want to show you what comes factory installed. What the fuck? What is this, Toyota? Look at this. Look at this back here. That's I had to flip this switch to turn that one on. So these cheap lights right here, you know, don't light up anything. Now let's show you the difference with the new one. Look at that.
Shit.
Bigger difference.
That's because those are meant to not strain your eyes. Hey, motherfucker, you turn the shit on and I was like, damn.
I want to see your face. So this is what it looks like when you get the package. If you go on Amazon, it comes with the tool remover kit, and then you get all these LED light bulbs in here. Real easy though to remove. And if I remember exactly how to do it, I think you just put it right here. You should just, there we go. Don't be scared, you know, it's not gonna break. And with the same tool, you just pop it in there and just pop out the light bulb. You're just gonna put it in from the bottom right here and kind of just push it up to get it out, because there's a little switch, the little flip right here to get it in. Like literally, like if you catch yourself paying someone to swap out the lights for you, stop. Look at yourself, okay? Because this is literally less than 15 bucks, and you get the whole light switch in there. But check it out. Oh, and then make sure you have it flipped up right away, because if not, it's kind of wrong. Bro, it's fucking flipped down. That's why it isn't turning on. Okay, so it's like a regular battery. So you're just gonna pop it in there, like show it, Anthony. Get closer. So it's just gonna be like this. Literally, it's just you just plug and play. And then there we go. That easy. And then the same way this comes off, the same way you put it back in. There. Now do you see the difference? Easy. So let's do this other thing. Can you see it? My love. If I fucking get scared, I'm gonna electrocute myself.
So you can cut.
So these are done. So this is done. This is done. So now we just have 5 bulbs left. These here are a little bit easier, but they're also harder to get to the bulb. I'll show you why. Nope, wrong side. Push it against the where you put it in, so on the inside, against the click. Okay. This one. Show them why it can get harder, because it's like deep in there. So I see people use a like a tape. But I'm gonna try to use my fingers. I'm lazy to go get it. Baby, I'm gonna need tape. This is the hardest one you'll notice to get out today. Where you basically just want to get that. There we go. Just pump it out. You see? Did you see how you did it? Kind of just get it to hug it in there, and then you pull. We'll be right back. Got it. Anthony, is it on? Oh my God. I had it in the whole time. You just put it back in there and it's just like that. That's it. Just the way you took it out. Don't complicate it. Don't complicate it. There you go. You guys can see the difference already. So I think we're a fan of these here. Us and Anthony likes the cheap ones because it hurts his eyes. Hey, we're gonna take the. And it's just simple. You just put it in there, and it works. We struggled with the other side, so now we know how to do it. Now, same thing back here. Cheap light back here. So, but this one's easier. It shows you where the notches are. You just literally both sides. Catch it though. Like this. And again, like I told you guys, Toyota doesn't upgrade their products, so I got a light kit for 2016 to 2019 models, and it works just fine on a 23. Can you explain that to me, Slug? Like, why?
It's from hours? Like, I don't even know.
I feel like this one's wobbly as fuck, though. There we go.
There you go.
There.
Yeah.
Let's see if the difference. Fucking Toyota. It's because you gotta flip the switch over here for it to turn on its own. This shit's why I don't get it.
Don't get it, bro.
Does it light up like that? I think this shit. No, it turns on. It's just that one's so dark. I don't know why. Why is that one so dark?
Because it's only a little. It doesn't light up the whole. It just lights up that little square.
I'm gonna get the color light that you said on the back one.
You don't need them.
No. All right, let's go to the back. It's gonna be these focals right here. Easy, same thing. When you notice that you get underneath your truck, you can just unplug it. That right there. You're just gonna pull it out, swap the bulb for both sides, and it's gonna replace. And I'll show you that right now because it's kind of hard to get the angle. But that's all you're gonna do. Literally underneath the light.
Oh, yeah.
No, look. You have to go clockwise.
I can't even see where you're twisting. Oh, that shit, that's the bulb. Yeah. So you gotta twist it real.
Excuse me?
So I couldn't take it off, so Anthony can do it. You can't really see, but you gotta twist it. Fuck. Alright, let's start it up. That way you see me, give me a ticket easier. Difference?
Maybe you just broke a bone.
Oh.
Don't tell me it was one of the new ones.
No. Oh, and I broke two. Oh my god, alright. Well, that was it. The hardest part was hardest one was these back here because you have to have small hands and fucking counterclockwise turn it and then you pull it out. That's it. As we do more projects, we'll keep you guys updated on Taco Asada. That's it. That's his name.